What is up, everybody? So it's that time again, 4th of July. I have another video of me lighting off some fireworks that I got, this time for the year 2018. So yeah, should be cool. Now, there really wasn't a very big selection in this one. It was only about, I think, 7 or 8 fountains. The whole thing totaled up to about $50, so really not a whole lot, but, you know, every year I like to do, I always like to buy some every year. Now, for those of you guys that are newer to my channel, you guys might not have known that I did this. Because I don't think anybody really goes back through a person's older videos. But essentially how the story goes is, I started doing these videos back in 2009. Back when I started my second YouTube channel. Now, you know, at the time, I had just barely started that channel, so I didn't really have anything to upload yet. And, you know, I figured, hey, 4th of July is coming up, I started the day before 4th of July, so July 3rd, 2009, yeah, I remember that. So I was like, hey, 4th of July is tomorrow, why don't I just make a video of us lighting off fireworks? So, yeah, that's initially how it started. Like, this wasn't intended to be, like, a permanent thing. Like, I just did it for an upload, just to get my channel started. But I ended up, you know, kind of having fun putting the videos together, so it got to the point where the year after that, I did it again. And then the year after that, I did it again. Like, after the second year, I was like, okay, these are actually, I kind of enjoy doing this, so I think I want to keep doing them. And so over time, it kind of, I suppose it took a life of its own, and it's kind of become a tradition for me at this point. Because I can't even imagine not doing it. Like, I can't even imagine not doing this. So, like, you know, I enjoy it. It ended up becoming, like, something that just became a hobby for us. Like, something we did once in a while ended up becoming, you know, a yearly thing. So, yeah. So, with that being said, I will be honest with you guys. These videos are kind of pointless. You know, there's really no reason to post these, but like I said, you know, I enjoy doing them. You know, it's fun for me. And plus, I don't know, for anybody that's been interested, it kind of gives a small glimpse into a little bit of my personal life. I don't know if anybody really cares about that, but I don't know, personally for me, I find like these kinds of videos interesting because you get to see what people are like outside of, you know, the whole YouTube thing, and the whole internet persona. Like, put aside the internet persona aspect and just think about, okay, this is, like, at the end of the day, it's still a real person, you know. But, anyway, so I think that's all I really needed to say. That's pretty much the whole story, so. But yeah, I think with that being said, I'm just going to get into the video. I don't know, like I said, these videos are kind of pointless, but I don't know, if for anybody that's been curious about a little bit of my personal life, this shows you guys a tiny bit. If anybody's been interested in that stuff. I don't know. You could take that with what you will, so. But anyway, I'm just going to roll right into the video now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys here soon. Alright, deuces. Wow. All right, cool.